Hi there, my name is Mark Angelito Cordero, and I am resourceful virtual assistant based in the Philippines. I am currently pursuing of Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, which helps me bring business owner mindset to every task I handle. Over the past year, I I have specialized in US property management where I manage guest inquiries 24/7, coordinated with vendors and handling rent collection. I am also highly experienced in outbound calling, having executed 150 daily cold calls to qualify leads and set appointment. I believe I am a great fit for this role. I am a tech savvy and highly organized, and I thrive in fast-paced environment. I am committed to maintain efficiency workflow and handle all data with autonomous integrity. Thank you for having me.